Hello guys, this is 2000 Hen, and today I'm going to be shooting a cherry tomato with an airsoft gun. Also check out these other channels called, one is West Packers, like 1667 I think, and The Darkness 999, Toby DJ12, and Walleye S. So I'm just going to shoot it this. Okay. Here we go. We'll be right back. Okay, the damage is this.
What do you want, this chocolate with marshmallow?
Now I'm going to shoot it 3 times. Let's hope it doesn't roll off this time. Be right back. Can't find it. Oh, found it. Guess only 2 times. Well, I guess I'm only going to shoot it twice because I lost the baby. Here's the other damage. There's the damages. So yeah, I'll have more videos like shooting apples or something like that. And I guess I'll just show you my gun. The pistol, a Stinger P9.